Ah,
Ngiyakuva ke.
okay, hayi sathi naye-ke ne-Portugal lana iwinile 9-1 and the main talking point ukuthi iwine 9-1 Ronaldo was not there.
Yeah. So
So
short the team nje is strong. Portugal.
which means kunemuntu loyidonsele emuva.
Wait. So wena uthi bawine ngoba Ronaldo akekho lapha.
Yeah, the last time basha i-9 beangekho because if you can check the last time because ikhona team labayishaya 9-0. I don't know if it was Luxembourg or something. Ronaldo beangekho kule game leyo. Yeah. Bayishayile futhi against Armenia bayishaya 9.
Yeah.
He's not there.
So uthi uma akhona lapha nguye lo ufuna kushaya yonke into ama-free kick ama-penalty yonke into ufuna baphase yena futhi noma basegroundini.
Kwamele abantu bayithathe njalo not like ezi-hate for Ronaldo because okay let me paint lento even if kunami yaseground. Not like these two people are not good players. They are good players but uma bakhona egroundini bathatha ngathini akakhona imali amanye ama-player ukuthi expressa kahle because if ngibamba ibhola I have to pass bani kumele ngiphase Messi. Abakhona mani kushelele egroundini bamuve but express free kwamele ngene njani ngicrossele Ronaldo kumele ngiphase Ronaldo uyabo.
Wena ukhona ukuthi ukubambela ibhola uzame ukuba ne-individual brilliance ungene nawe phela. Next.
So mina I believe ukuthi uma i-Portugal if ifuna kuba ne-chance to win the World Cup abangamshiyi Ronaldo abahambe naye World Cup but I don't believe ukuthi kumele abe start.
Yeah, just kumele abe khona lapha for immoral or
abe yi-super sub because he's old futhi nje lokunye kumele sikukhumbule usemdzala umfowethu.
Isikhathi sesifikile funa sivume or kumele kuvume yena mara ngoba ufuna 1000 magoli angathi uhamba kungaki manje?
Hamba ku-952. Awutawafama le-South Arabia angani usadlala khona takufama lwawo 1000 goals.
Yeah.
Takuthola.
So uthi batuna 953 goals. Manje.
Yeah. So
953. Yeah.
The problem is that between the player like two Messi na Ronaldo, i-career ya Ronaldo ithwale idependent kwe-pace kakhulu vele in his prime yabo.
Yeah, bayagijima.
Yeah, bayagijima vele udependent ukuthi uyagijima.
Yeah.
But Messi if you can look i-play yakhe yes yena bekadrebula vele maybe 6 to 7 players awukora but kunalenye ability lanayo Messi even nema best midfielders angenayo.
Yeah.
Passing yakhe nje pass iball i-vision. Yo ingenhla.
Visionary. Uyakhona ukuthi so okay. So uthi Ronaldo yena ipass yakhe iwa emoyeni.
Uyaphasa kona. Aphasa kona mara compared kuMessi
Kabana na iShow speed wena.
Why show speed about ibhola nje? Into le I believe ukuthi endela for a-clout because ifeni yakhe uyibhide kona. Dalathi lutho lo muntu.
Why show speed akayathi ibhola. Ele mara yena ubelieve ukuthi he can go pro. Mara hayi.
Ubambukela dlala ibhola umbukela kuma charity wathi
akakhona nokukhahlela ibhola.
Yo.
Akakhona nokukhahlela ibhola. Khahla ibhola nje. Angikhuluma ukuthi ubambe ibhola uyidrebule ushaya isithatha. No, kuyikhahlela, akukhona ukukhahlela ibhola. So, just ukuthi vele yabona vele ifame yakhe ungene ngaRonaldo. So
yeah, ungene ngaRonaldo nyalo akasangeke asakusida vele kumele aholde kulento leyo because bantu bamfanze ngalo.
Yeah, sekumele asitike kuloko. Yabo. And then bantu abamitha vele bathi hey Messi yabona then akwathe but uyabona uthi hayi akwatanga uyajabula nje ukuthi this is ngiyangena.
Wayibona tuke FIFA Club World Cup azama ukuthi uyochebula Messi and there has been talking into thingase right ngaMessi. Wathi usiyomchawula bavele bam.
Messi bekade ukukhuluma naye lapha. Yena usabile ngisibukelile stream futhi bengisibukela live. I was watching bengisibukela live stream sa iShow Speed. Messi usemva kwakho Messi uyaqhamuka Messi akekho snacks phela Messi. Usemva kwakho uyandlula uyambona wa freeze. Wa freeze iShow Speed freeze. Angathi kuthini ene Messi akamboni phela Messi wathi indlulela ngoba akamboni. Maybe ngabe umbonile maybe ngabe umkhulumisile. Angicabanga usibeka aba snacks.
Because we are believe ukuthi umuntu une preference yakhe. Uthanda lo athanze lo.
Usabile because he's talking shit about Messi.
So yeah, it's easy to farm Europe. Buke 9-1, you cannot see this score in South America. Even you can play the lowest ranked team of Bolivia or Paraguay, but you will never beat them 9-1.
Yeah. Again. Hey, akhona lenye team engiyibonile la iwina 9-1.
In Norway you win 11-1.
No way, maybe ngayithola la.
But it was that international break, not this one. The previous one before this one.
Oh, okay. So no, I'm going to tell you.